una do my people. I greet una from anywhere in the world where you dey take watch this my video from. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji. I be your pidgin teacher for this data analytics matter. Make we sharparly go inside a sat for this video. For previous video, we don take and do all these ones wey dey here for inside home. All the group wey dey for inside home, we don handle them. If you never watch all those videos, sharparly go inside my channel now, go watch all those previous video, and if you never subscribe, na the correct time for you to subscribe be this. Now as I click on insert, you see say all this ribbon down, they don change to another thing entirely. I go start from this first group wey dem dey call tables, and the first thing wey dey here na pivot table. If I click this arrow now, some things go show. The first one wey show na im be say do the pivot for inside this table or range, and the second one na from external source. Na im be say you fit put this pivot table for data wey not even dey for inside this excel, and then you fit just come here come click am. Me, I go come click am for here right now. Now as I click am now, one matter don show for here. E dey ask you, if you look this one now, e don show you all the places wey data dey. Excel don capture am. If you see all those green line wey dey move, na im be say na all these places the data dey, na im Excel don capture. And then if you look am, e don capture am. E start from A1 wey be this place unto the last one wey be K 200,995. na all the data wey dey inside this table be this one now. Now this one now come dey ask you, shey you wan make the pivot table dey for inside new sheet, abi you wan make e dey for inside this existing sheet? Na im be say this one wey we dey talk. As me, I want make this my new sheet, I want make my pivot open a new sheet for me. I go leave am like this now, come click OK. As I click OK now, you see am, Excel don open a new sheet for me, and e don open am like this. If you look am now, you see say this title now, e don comot for inside a sat, e don come pivot analysis. Na im be say anything wey we wan do for inside this pivot now, na here im dey happen. And if you never subscribe for my channel, na the correct time be this make you subscribe, wey I go do one video take sama all these things wey dey for inside here. But make we sharparly explain pivot table. Wetin pivot table mean now? If you remember, for this table here, for this data here, you remember say the data start from A1 unto 200,995. Na im be say if you dey check one thing now, if you wan count whether school year o, na so and so number now, you go come dey count am one by one, one by one. The thing wey pivot dey do be say, instead make you dey do that kind wahala, pivot go help you summarize some things. If you look am now, all the title wey dey for inside here now, all this title here, pivot don carry am come here put for you. So you fit analyze anything. E fit be say you dey look for one thing now o. Make we quickly go into this one now wey dem dey call school name. If you see am now, for that 200,995 data wey dey there, Excel don help you summarize all the school name wey dey for here now. Now if you come dey look for all this school name, if you wan compare am with one other thing, make we click this one wey dem call migrant. See am now, e don open am put for here. If you look am now, the two bin dey for inside row. You fit carry this one now comot for inside row, put am for column. See am now, e don put am here. E don write am now for you. And then you fit come here come say this one now o, you wan make e give you the value. If you put am for inside value now, see am now, e don put am for here. Na so we dey take use pivot table. Make I sharparly go back inside my insert. Now as I come inside insert now, we see another one wey dem dey call recommended pivot table. For this recommended pivot table, e dey talk say Excel don reason this your data, come say you suppose need one of this data o, that data o. See am now, e don dis ones na all the suggested one. If you like am, you go just click am. See am now, e don help you reason your data say you suppose need all dis kind thing. If you want now, you go click OK, but me I no wan do anything, I just take show una. I go cancel am right now. Now the next one for here na table. If I click dis one now, Excel go bring another tori come out. E don again help you reason where all your data dey now. E start from A1 go reach 200,995. Now e don capture am say na there e wan put the table. Excel still come ask you, you wan make your table get header, na im be say you wan make e get title abi you no wan make e get title. Me I wan make the table get title, so I go click OK now. You see am now, Excel don do the magic put for you. As we put the table now, Excel don carry you come here like e do for pivot. E don carry us come here, table design. E get many many things wey dey inside here wey you fit do. Now you fit change the colour, you fit change colour. See am now, see am now, you fit change the colour for inside your table, and then you fit do many many things for here. Again, subscribe to dis channel so dat when I reach here wey I dey explain table give una, you go dey notified of the video when I upload am. I go go back, go inside insert. So now as I dey inside insert now, I fit leave am for dis table and I fit undo am because I no too really need the table. I just take am explain give una. So I don finish dis table matter. Now the next one wey I go go na im dem dey call illustration. For dis illustration, you see say we also get some other things. I go start with picture. If you click dis one now, e don bring another tori. Dey ask you say where you wan get the picture, for inside dis device abi you wan go online go bring the picture. I go click the first one wey be say from dis device. As I click am now, e don open some place for me wey be say I fit pick my picture from. Now I go come dis place now. You know where your picture dey, the picture wey you dey look for, you know where e dey. Me I don click where my own dey now. I don click the picture wey I wan put for inside dis Excel. I go come click insert. As I insert am now, you see am now, e don bring am come here now. I fit reduce the picture and I fit increase am. For dis kind matter now, I go reduce my own. I don put subscribe now so dat you go dey remember say if you never subscribe for my channel, make you quickly subscribe. Now if I click dis one again, the second one wey be say for online, I don click am. Dis one e go load unto how fast your internet be, because to do dis one now you need internet. If you no get internet, e no fit load give you. Now for dis one now, if you see am now for inside internet, you fit look for anything, and if the thing wey you dey look for e no dey here, you fit come here come search. I go just click dis one now. So I go click dis one and then I go click on insert. See am now, e don come show for inside the Excel. Now e get some things wey you fit do for inside dis picture for inside dis Excel o. E get some things wey be say you fit remove the background, you fit do some things, but dis picture now no get background, so I no fit click on dis one. You fit connect am, you fit do colour, artistic, many many things. For another video, I go take explain dis one give una again. Make I go back inside insert. Now we don do dis picture side now. The next one na im we go come dis place wey dem dey call shape. I fit come here now come click any of dis shape. You see as the shape many? Na your decision to pick any one wey you want. Any one at all wey you click for here, e go show you for inside dis Excel. So I go come dis next one now. Dis one wey dem dey call icon. You fit come here now. Now dis one wey dem dey call icon, e get many many icon wey dey for inside there. And if you look am, all the icon get im own title. If you click dis one now, e go show you only the thing wey dey for accessibility. If you click analytics now, e go show you only things wey dey for inside analytics. If you click animal, see am as e come. Anything wey you want, na im you go check now. Now dis one now, I go come click dis one now, put for here, click insert. See am now, dis one don show for here. So you fit increase am and then you fit reduce am. And you fit put am for inside dis place o. No think say because I dey comot am put for one side, e no fit dey here. E fit dey here. See am now, I don put am for here now. Dat one na dat one. Now the next one na 3D model. You fit do 3D model put for inside dis one. E dey ask you whether 3D model you wan sama am for inside your computer abi you wan carry am from online. As I no get 3D model for inside my computer, I go go online. All dis thing, e fit fast for your own side if your internet fast, and e fit slow if your own internet e slow. See am now, see am, e don bring all dis 3D model come give you. Dem many also, and then na anyone wey you want na im you go click. Now see am now, I don click on the emoji now, e dey bring many many things come give una. I go click on dis one wey get star for im eye because all my subscriber, all of una be superstar. So I don carry dat one come. E dey load now. As dat one dey load, e like say my internet slow again. Okay, e don show. So for next one now, we go smart art. For dis smart art, you go see say many many things dey for here wey be say you fit take do many things. See am, all the thing wey dey for here now, e dey talk about many things. Dis one now na process, dis one na cycle. If you look am now, if you wan do your report for inside excel come show am for inside circle, you fit come here, see hierarchy. E get many things wey you fit do for inside dis excel. See all of dem. As I no dey do dat one, I go cancel am. And then you fit do screenshot. You fit screenshot for your system. See all the screenshot wey me I get, and then you fit screenshot am come put for here. I no dey screenshot for dis one. Now I no dey like make my video too long so dat I no dey chop una data. For the next one now, for the next video, we go continue for chat. If you never subscribe put for dis channel, na the right time be dis make you subscribe. No forget to like, no forget to put comment for inside our comment section. E be like say e get one video wey you want and me I never do am, talk am put for inside the comment section and I go sama you with the video. See you for my next video. Bye.